Dropbox versus Google Drive, which cloud storage is right for you? Perceive the distinction between the two main online file storage options. Many individuals don't notice Dropbox has been around about 5 years longer than Google Drive. Nevertheless, the sheer useful resource energy of Google has remodeled Google Drive into the only largest competitor for Dropbox. Each providers supply free storage, with important variations. Right this moment, every compete for a rising variety of customers who proceed to conduct extra of their work on the cloud than ever earlier than. General findings. Google Drive. Extra space for storing. Extra in-house apps. Streamlines your Google expertise. Quick and intuitive. Syncs complete paperwork. Dropbox. Referral program for extra free storage. Integrates with extra third parties. Expands your cloud expertise. Clunky however easy to make use of. Quicker partial file syncing. Each cloud storage suppliers supply an excellent deal. They every have their very own distinctive strategy to encryption and which apps and providers they combine with. Nevertheless, each line up on the subject of collaboration, syncing throughout desktop and cell gadgets, and the comfort of working remotely. Google Drive affords considerably extra space for storing up entrants and supplies the comfort of integration with nearly all of Google's apps and providers. However, Dropbox's extra superior file syncing algorithm offers you quicker sync time, and its integration with so many third-party apps and providers makes it an irresistible selection for individuals who don't use many Google providers. Storage area, slam dunk for Google Drive. Google Drive. Extra storage tiers. As much as 30 terabytes obtainable. Storage consumed by different providers. Extra storage obtainable totally free. Dropbox. Easier pricing choices. 3 TB storage ceiling. Unique to cloud storage. Free account has very restricted storage. If you first join Google Drive, you get a 15 GB of free storage. Take into account this space for storing is unfold throughout a number of Google providers. You may improve your Google Drive account to 100 GB for less than $1.99 per month, as much as 30 terabytes for $149.99 per month. There are 6 tiers to select from. The tiers above 100 GB are marketed as Google One. Dropbox begins you off with 2 GB for the fundamental free account. The tier construction is way easier than Google's. You may improve to 2 terabytes for $9.99 per month or 3 TB for $16.58 per month. Byte for byte, the costs between the two providers align. Nevertheless, you're restricted to 3 TB with Dropbox, and Dropbox isn't making you eat any of its space for storing with an email service which might eat loads. Embedded apps. Google has extra, however Dropbox performs with others. Google Drive. Extra embedded apps. Handy for Google customers. Bigger apps library. Some apps are low high quality. Dropbox. Few default app choices. Integrates with extra providers you employ. Apps library is all prime quality. Dropbox paper could be very fundamental. When you choose new in Google Drive, you'll see choices to create a brand new file utilizing Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Varieties, Google Drawings, Google Websites, Google My Maps, and the power to attach with over 100 online apps. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.